how the circuit board works, you got your ground with every electrical component, you need a ground. And ground travels through your body and goes to your other finger. All you do is hit the other metal compounds and it would end up hitting either one. This is the basics of our circuit board and how we were able to use it to instrument how a student with only one arm or one hand would be able to play drums or other instruments in the future.
The idea is still new, so we don't have a ton of funding, but with the help of investors, we'd be able to add more instruments to our lineups. We have bongos, we have drum sets, we have triangles, clarinets, flutes, all that stuff. So if there's any questions, we'd love to answer them.
What's the benefit of using the makey instead of just having them play the drums with their one hand or play any other percussion instrument? Like what's this? Why should I get this when I could just throw them in the back?
Well, some of the songs, bongos, you have to use 2 of them, so it'll require them to be able to play harder skill levels. So if they start in 5th grade, they're going to want to move up in their skill level to 12th grade, which is going to require them to use 2 hands, require them to do faster rhythms. So with the makey circuit board, they'll be able to click the buttons faster and be able to use 2 fingers too to play at the same time both bongos. Whereas if they had one hand, it'd be kind of hard to go back and forth with faster rhythms at a higher skill level.
What's your most challenging part of your day?
The most challenging part of our day was definitely coming up with a product to make. There's a lot of really good ideas out there, but just something to implement the struggles that our school might face later on with the challenges of only having a kid with one arm that still wants to partake in band. We just wanted to do something that our school hasn't seen yet that it might see in the future.
So did you identify the problem first and then make bongos? You didn't make bongos first?
Yeah.
Have you thought about what kind of investments you're going to need from investors to expand to other instruments?
We definitely need a sum of money, somewhere between, we don't know the exact amount of money yet, but just something to be able to research and investigate what are the benefits of each different instrument, so we know which instruments to bring to the band students first. If there's more benefit to bringing a saxophone next, or to keep the line of percussion first and then move on to a different instrument. Just kind of investigating and seeing which would be the most beneficial to the students.
So you mentioned your roles at the beginning. What exactly were each of you responsible for in this specific project with your bongos and everything?
Those were just our specialties. As the manager, I just kind of oversaw and made sure everyone was doing their thing. But Lane was wiring a lot of it since he was the electrical engineer, and Malin was over